O, A, G, flag. Let's try again. F, O, A, G, flag. Well done. Let's take a look at the next word. P, O, A, plum. Let's try again. P, O, A, plum. Good job. Are you ready for another word? K, A, B, crab. Let's try again. K, A, B, crab. Good job. Let's take a look at another word. D, I, P, drip. Let's try again. D, I, P, drip. Well done. Are you ready for the next word? F, O, G, frog. Let's try again. F, O, G, frog. Well done. Let's move on to another word. S, K, I, P, skip. Let's try one more time. S, K, I, P, skip. Well done. Time for another word. S, W, I, swim. Let's try one more time. S, W, I, swim. Well done. Are you ready for the next word? S, P, I, spin. Let's try again. S, P, I, spin. Well done. Let's move on to another word. S, O, A, G, slug. Let's try again. S, O, A, G, slug. Well done. That can
Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. V, 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 v. V. For this sound, we get into a van and drive it. V, v, v.
A, van.
Let's listen together to our song.
Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Drive Vic's van round the village. Ooh.
Now it's our story time. Uncle Vic is a delivery man. He's on his way to visit his niece and nephew. When he arrives, they all set off in his van. Vroom! They drive through the village to deliver some vegetables. The children pretend to drive going vroom. Everyone has a lovely time. Good job, my friends. You did a great job today learning V sound.
Today we are going to learn how to write the initial sound letter V. V for vegetables. V for van. V for vest. V for vase. Now it's our activity time. Let's see how to write this letter. So here we go. Come down, go up. Sound letter V. Again, come down, go up. Come down, go up. One more last time. Come down, go up. Now let's write the letter. So today's initial sound letter is V, and this letter will be written on line number 2 and 3. We will start from the middle on line number 2 and make a slanting line down to the right, and then make a slanting line up to the right. Let's try it again. Slanting line down, slanting line up. Slanting line down, slanting line up. Now my kids, you try. Well done my kids. Now you know how to write this.
Van. Van. V. Vet. Vet. B. Vowels. Vowels. B. Volleyball. Volleyball. B. Vase. Vase. B. Vampire. Vampire. B. Volcano. Volcano. B. Violin. Violin. B. Vacuum. Vacuum. B. Vegetables. Vegetables. B. Vulture. Vulture. B. Vacation. Vacation. B. Venus.